Hi everyone, this is Prashad Parthiban. Today I'm going to talk about commercial surety bond. This is nothing but anything that has to do with laws or statutory rules or regulations. We need to have commercial surety bond. In our previous lesson, we have talked about contract bond, which is nothing but if you are a business who are involved in contracts with third parties, you need to have that. Whereas commercial surety bond deals more to do with laws, regulations, etc., etc. Now, there are six major categories as you see from this PPT. The license or permit bond, which is nothing but if you have a company, you are getting like maybe a restaurant, your license will clearly say you have to follow some health kind of related safety measures. If you don't follow them, then as a result, if there is any loss or customer getting ill or your government entity is at loss, then this license or permit bond will take care of that. Second one is court bond. Say you are in a court case and you lost the case and you are appealing for the higher courts or Supreme Court to review this case. Still, if you lose there, then whatever the loss that has been incurred from this appeal will be covered under the court bond. Meaning, like if the lost party have spent additional 100K in order to appeal or appear for the higher courts, so those losses will be covered under the court bond. So the third bond is fidelity bond, right? Like no, fidelity bond is where like if you are an employee, you are working for a company, and you kind of stole the company records or anything, or you are involved in some kind of dishonesty acts, then you fidelity bond will make sure to incur the losses incurred by the company. So you are employee, you have to submit this fidelity bond. The fourth kind of bond is fiduciary bond, right? Like now, if you are a person who's taking care of somebody else's property in a temporary basis, then you are responsible to make sure that you act on the benefit of the end parties. If you don't do that, then this fiduciary bond will make sure that they pay the required losses to the incurred parties. In short, like anything, like no example, if you are responsible to taking care of young kids when their parents are not there, then you have to make sure that you follow all the rules and regulations, laws as per the guardian rules. If you don't follow that, then your fiduciary bond will take care of those losses. Public official bond, like if you are a government employee working for a government entity, then it is your utmost duty to follow all the rules and regulations listed by the government entities. If you don't follow that, then this public official bond will help the public entities to recover any losses due to the reason why you are not able to follow the rules and regulations. Miscellaneous bond is anything else, right? Like in short, if anything that is unique of nature, right? And if it is not covered under this major category, you can still use this miscellaneous bond to cover any business related bond things. In short, as I told you, commercial surety bond is a bond which is more to do with laws, regulations, and statutory rules. And there are this kind of various categories. Again, I'm giving you a very high level synopsis, but each bond in turn will have subcategories, examples, etc. But my goal is to tell you what is commercial surety bond, what are the major categories involved with commercial surety bond. Thank you so much for your continuous support. Have a great day. Bye bye.